Shagging today. We're here in the heart of Riverhills, situated high up in one of the newest estates. This home's absolutely spectacular with a striking street presence, built with coastal inspired Hamptons living, has dual living with double street access, plenty of off-street parking, and it's offered to the market for the very first time since its construction, an opportunity not to be missed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 43 Sawmill Circuit here in the heart of Riverhills. Let's come and have a look.
Nothing left for you right now. Nothing else I had for you. I got nothing nothing else to do for now. Talking to the walls in my room. I got nothing for you. Do you miss me? Are you there? I stopped one night, but it never worked. I was calling out until my lungs hurt. It's been so long.
Well, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this home has a genuine feeling of home with plenty of natural light, great amount of living, and a great flow to the outdoor area with spectacular views and such a unique double street access and a fully self-contained granny flat downstairs, all under the one roof. It's got plenty of natural light, a kitchenette downstairs, and great amount of yard space, an opportunity not to be missed. I can't wait to see you on the next inspection.